出去是吧？我们打开门。Okay, after the focus adjustment, we will do the calibration. Go to another room. This room we will do the calibration of the camera. Okay. Okay, this machine is to make sure this dual lens stitching together very well. We will send the photo to the service to analyze if it's okay or not. This is the test machine. We put the lens to this machine, and this machine will be connected to the PC directly. We are connected to the PC, and then we take 3 photos. The first photo is taken on this box. We will ensure the focus is okay and